Installing ceramic tiles on outdoor stairs requires precision, patience, and the right techniques to achieve a durable, safe, and visually appealing finish. In this detailed step-by-step guide, you will learn how to install outdoor stair ceramic tiles like a true professional, from surface preparation to the final touches that ensure long-lasting results. We begin by preparing the staircase surface, which is one of the most critical steps in the entire process. A clean, solid, and level base is essential for proper adhesion. Dust, debris, and loose materials must be completely removed, and any cracks or uneven areas should be repaired using cement and sand mortar. Proper leveling ensures that each tile sits evenly, preventing future issues such as cracks or detachment. Next, we focus on measuring and planning the layout. Accurate measurements help avoid unnecessary cuts and ensure a symmetrical, professional look. Marking guidelines on both the treads and risers will give you a clear reference for placing each tile correctly. This step is especially important when working on stairs, where alignment and consistency are key to achieving a clean finish. Once the layout is ready, we move on to mixing and applying the tile adhesive. Choosing the right adhesive for outdoor use is crucial, as it must withstand weather conditions such as rain, heat, and temperature changes. The adhesive is spread evenly using a notched trowel to create ridges that improve bonding strength. Proper application ensures that the tiles remain firmly in place over time. Now comes the tile installation process. Each ceramic tile is carefully placed onto the adhesive, starting from the bottom step and working upward. This method helps maintain stability and prevents accidental displacement. Spacers are used to maintain consistent gaps between tiles, allowing for uniform grout lines. Gentle pressure is applied to secure each tile, and adjustments are made to keep everything aligned. Cutting tiles is often necessary, especially around edges and corners. Using the right cutting tools ensures clean and precise cuts, which contribute to a professional finish. Special attention is given to the edges of the stairs, where safety is a priority. Installing anti-slip tiles or adding edge trims can significantly improve grip and reduce the risk of slipping. After all tiles are installed and the adhesive has cured, the next step is grouting. Grout is applied to fill the gaps between tiles, enhancing both the appearance and structural integrity of the installation. Excess grout is removed carefully, and the surface is cleaned to reveal a smooth, polished look. Proper grouting also helps protect against water infiltration, which is especially important for outdoor stairs. Finally, we cover the finishing touches and maintenance tips. Sealing the grout can provide extra protection against moisture and stains, extending the lifespan of your tiled stairs. Regular cleaning and inspection will keep your outdoor staircase looking great and functioning safely for years to come. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and professionals alike who want to master the art of outdoor stair tiling. By following these steps, you can achieve a high-quality result that combines durability, safety, and aesthetic appeal. Right finger, don't forget to watch until the end to see the final result and learn pro tips that make a big difference in your work. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more professional tiling tutorials.